7, chapter 4, rational number. First of all, question arises, what is rational number? A number that can be expressed as a form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are integers. Integer that, for example, integer that positive, negative with 0, all set of number is called integer. For example, 2, 3 by 5, minus 5 by 7, minus 3, etc. And 2 is a rational number because its denominator is 1 and not denominator is 0. 3 by 5, denominator is 5, minus 5 by 7, denominator is 7, minus 3 by 1, that's denominator is not 0. Evolve conclusion that facts. First, every natural number is a rational number. For example, 2, 5, 6, etc. is a natural number, or every natural number is a rational number because its denominator has always 1, हमेशा. Okay, next, second, every whole number is also a number. Third, every integer is also a rational number, negative, positive. Fourth, division by 0 is not allowed. Division by 0 is not allowed, that means denominator never 0. And numerator and denominator both are negative, then rational number is positive. Or numerator and denominator, everyone, 1 of 1 is a negative, that's all set, that means rational number is negative. Next, standard form of rational number. Standard form is also called short form of rational number. Short form, that means its numerator and denominator has HCF always 1. If numerator and denominator are co-prime, that is, they have no common factor other than 1, that means HCF is 1, hence it is in the form of a standard. For example, 81 by 27. 81 by 27, that means 23. 27 3s are 81, hence is equal to 3 by 1, and 3 by 1 is a standard form of 81 by 27. Next, equivalent rational number. A rational number obtained by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and denominator by same non-zero number. Again, a rational number obtained by multiplying or dividing both the numerator and denominator by same non-zero number. Non-zero number, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 3, minus 2, etc. For example, minus 4 by 7 is equal to minus 4 into 3 and 7 into 3. That means multiplied both numerator and denominator is 3. Hence is equal to 4 3s are 12 minus 12 and 7 3s are 21. Next, minus 7 by 4 and minus 7 by 4, both numerator and denominator multiplied by 5, then is equal to minus 20 by 35. Next, representation of rational number minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And left side negative and right side positive. Always positive direction, that means right side, negative side direction, that means left side. Next, for example, 5 by 7 and minus 3 by 5, so on number line. Take one line and this point 0 and this point 1 and this point minus 1. First represent 5 by 7. 5 by 7, and we know that if nominator is less than denominator, then this rational number is always lie between 0 and 1 or 0 and minus 1. Again repeat, when nominator is less than denominator, then its rational number is lie between always 0 and 1 or 0 and minus 1. Clear? 5 by 7 here, 5 is less than 7, then this rational number is lie between 0 and 1. And where lies? First see denominator. Denominator has 5. Take 5 point between 0 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First 5, 6 and 7. First point 1 by 7, second point 2 by 7, third point 3 by 7, fourth point 4 by 7, fifth point 5 by 7, sixth point 6 by 7, and 7.7 by 7, and 7 by 7 is equal to 1. But here shows 5 by 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this point is so 5 by 7. Next, minus 3 by 5. Minus 3, that means 3 is less than 5, that means nominator is less than denominator. Hence, its number is lie between 0 and minus 1. But where? To first 5, denominator is 5. Take 5 point between 0 and minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First point minus 1 by 5. Second point minus 2 by 5. Third point minus 3 by 5. Fourth point minus 4 by 5. And last point minus 5 by 5. And minus 5 by 5 is equal to minus 1. But we saw minus 3. 1, 2, 3. And this point is minus 3 by 5. Second example, 7 by 5 and minus 4 by 3, so on number line. Here we see that nominator is greater than denominator. And above example, we see that nominator is less than denominator. So first, in this example, this rational number is converted into mixed fraction. 7 by 5 and minus 4 by 3 is converted into mixed fraction. 7 by 5 is equal to 1 is to 2 by 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7 by 5. And 1 is to 2 by 5 lie between 1 and 2, because this number is, its number is greater than 1 but less than 2. So this number is lie between 1 and 2. Next, minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 1 is to 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3 and plus 1 4. 4 by 3. And lie between minus 1 and minus 2, because this number is greater than less than minus 1 but greater than minus 2. Hence lie between minus 1 and minus 2. Now here shows on number line. Take one line and at 0, 1 and 2. Again minus 1 and minus 2. And first example, minus 7 by 5, and its mixed fraction 1 is to 2 by 5. That means its number is lie between 1 and 2. First 5, take 5 points between 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. First point 1 is to 1 by 5. Second point 1 is to 2 by 5. Third point 1 is to 3 by 5. Fourth point 1 is to 4 by 5. And fifth point 1 is to 5 by 5. And 1 is to 5 by 5 is equal to 1 plus 5. 5 cancel 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. But we find 7 by 5 and 7 by 5 is equal to 1 is to 2 by 5. 1 is to 1 by 2 and 1 is to 2 by 5. Then this point is 7 by 5. Next, minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3, that means this its number is lie between minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 1 and minus 2. And take 3 points between minus 1 and minus 2, because its denominator is 3. 1, 2 and next 3. And first point minus 1 is to 1 by 3. Second point minus 1 is to 2 by 3. And third point minus 1 is to 3 by 3. And minus 1 is to 3 by 3 is equal to minus 1. And 3 cancel. Minus 1 and minus 1 is equal to minus 2. But we find minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 1 is to 1 by 3. And first point is minus 1 is to 1 by 3. That means minus 4 by 3. Next, comparison of rational number by cross product method. If a by b and c by d is a two rational number, then AD is greater than BC, then A by B is always greater than C by D. A by B is always greater than C by D. And again, if AD is less than CD, then A by B is less than C by D. For example, 7 by 5 and 3 by 2. 7 into 2, that means A into D is greater than B into C. 5 into 3, 40 and 30, 5. Hence, A by B, that is 7 by 5, is less than 3 by 2. Next example, arrange -3 by 4, -2, 7 by 6, 2 by -3 and 1 by 2, 12 in ascending order. Firstly, find the LCM of denominator. All denominator find LCM, and 4, 6, -3, 12 and 1, and has LCM is 12. And each denominator convert into 12. First, -3 by 4. -3 by 4, when 4 is multiplied by 3, then convert into 12. And we know that same number is multiplied numerator and denominator. 3 and 3, 3 3s are -9 and 12. And again -2, and -2 is divided by 12. Hence, numerator is also multiplied by 12. Then 1 into 12 and 2 into 12, -24 by 12. Next, 7 by 6, and 6 is multiplied by 2, then convert into 12. Hence, 7 is also multiplied by 2. 7 into 2 by 6 into 2, 14 by 12. Next, 2 by -3 is equal to 3 into 3 is multiplied by 4, and also 2 is multiplied by 4. Hence, it converted into 8 by -12, and 1 by 12 is also 12. First, we know that negative number is always less than positive number, and negative number greater the value, lesser value, and lesser value, that's greater value. Hence, all above number, first -24 is greater, but in negative, so is less number, -24 by 12. Second, -9 by 12. Third, -8 by 12. And next, positive number greater the denominator, greater the number, that means 1 by 12, and hence 14 by 12. And -24 by 12 is the value of -2. -9 by 12 is the value of -3 by 4. -8 by 12 is equal to -2 by -3, and 1 by 12, that's by 1 by 12, and 14 by 12 is equal to 7 by 6. Hence, -2 is less than, -3 is less than, -2 by 3 is less than, 1 by 2 is less than 7 by 6. That means increasing order of number. Next, rational number as a decimal. And rational number as a decimal is categorized into two parts: terminating decimal and non-terminating decimal. Terminating decimal or decimal with finite number of digits after the decimal point. That means it's a finite number when divided by a number, then it's completely divided. Hence, it is a terminating. For example, 2 by 5, and 2 by 5 means 2 is divided by 5 is equal to 0.4. That means complete divisible. Second, 3 by 5, 3 is divided by 5, and that is equal to 0.6, complete divisible. Second, that means terminating is also called non-recurring number. Terminating is also called non-recurring number. Second, non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal or decimal with infinite number of repeating digits after the decimal point. It is also called recurring number. It is also called recurring number or repeating number. That means non-terminating decimal is called recurring number or repeating number, and terminating decimal is called recurring number, or 0.3, and this is a recurring symbol. Next, adding of rational number. 1/4 plus 3/5, denominator that is 4 and 5 is LCM 20, and 4 5 are 25 comes are 5, and 5 4 are 20, 4 3s are 12, for 12 and 5 17/20. Next, subtraction of rational number. Subtract -5/11 from -6/11. -6/11 minus -5/11. Minus minus plus. -6/11 plus 5/11 is equal to -6 and plus 5 -1/11. Next, multiplication of rational number. If two rational number a by b and c by d, then a into c by b into d. Example, 3/5 into 6/7 is equal to 2 into 6, 3 into 6. 3 into 6 by 5 into 7. 6 3s are 18 and 7 5s are 35 answer. Next, division of rational number. If a by b divided by c by d, then a by b into c by d by c. That means after division number or after division fraction converts into its reciprocal. That means numerator is denominator and denominator is numerator. Example, 4/5 divided by 7/10. 4/5 into 10/7, hence 8/7 answer. Next example, -81/135 divided by 48/-54. -81/135 multiplied -54/48, and hence by calculating result 27/40, because minus minus plus, hence 27/40 is answer.